somebody asked me on YouTube to go ahead and do a video of how the hose worked. I just put like a tiny bit of tap water in here. Just a little. How you do this is you just go back here, your foot pedal, down the handle. Oops, don't want to squish it. Oh. Okay, and then you just go right here. You'll lift up this, open this up, take off the lid, okay? And then you'll remove, where is it? Oh, right here. This thing right here will be in this, like, when you get yours, it will be like that, okay? I just want to get it, pull it right out. Put it up on there. Now, this part, right here, okay, you're going to want to get this part, right here, and just slide it in where you took that thing out, just slide it in, okay? You can turn your hose this way, yeah, and then you can open this up, right here. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Just put this part, and this hole right here. You just put that part in. I'm going to sit down camera so I can put it in. Try to do it. Hold on. And then you just push her in all the way. Make sure you got it in all the way. Okay, once you got it in all the way, you'll just want to put this top back over it. Make sure it's all the way on. Snap it shut. Okay, and you'll just lift this up. You'll make sure you got enough water. I prefer a huge full tank of this water in solution if you want solution. Okay, I'm just gonna plug it in. And you said somewhere in your message that it wasn't squirting out that much water. I actually wouldn't know why it wouldn't do that. So you probably gotta have enough water though. I'm just gonna take this spool off, show you how water comes out, and then you just turn it on. Go ahead and turn off the brush roll, okay? Turn off the brush roll. Turn it on, and then you'll have a suction right there. And then with this trigger right here, you'll just spray it, and solution should come out like that. And then go and suck it up. Oops, I just wanted to put that on there. Oops. Just suck it up. And that's all you do. To make the solution come out. See the solution thing right there. That's how it comes out. Right there. That trigger, it should just come out normally. Just unhook that when you're done. Just get this, set it down right there. Put down your handle. Go ahead and open this up. There's a little bit of water. Just pull this out. Go over here, get your white clear thing, and just put it in the right way again. Just like that. And then just put this back over it. Get your water, set it back up, lock it in place, and then you turn it back in the carpet mode with the brush roll on high, and then you turn it off. And I hope this helped you a little bit on how to use the hose. If not, I'm sorry, dude. So this is how I use my hose. So This is how I do upholstery cleaning. Just hook up the hose like that, and it sprays normal for me, so yeah, I have no problems with this one. I actually like this one. So I'm gonna end this video right now. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and just email me. So yeah, thanks.